Hey, if you want to print wireless from your POCO M6 Pro, first of all you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network on your smartphone, and to the same Wi-Fi network you have to be also connected on your printer. And next you will have to go to the settings. From here select connection and the sharing. Now tap on the printing, and from here select the system printing service, and if it doesn't work we are going to get the custom service. So click here and now just wait for the searching process, and if your printer doesn't pop on this list, it means that you will have to actually download the printing service from the Google Play Store. So as you can see, in my case unfortunately it doesn't work, so I have to go back and click to add service. Now I'll be moved into the Google Play Store where I can find plugins to different printers. So let's say that for example I'm using the HP printer. So I have to get this plugin, I have to click on it, and then I will have to tap to install. Now I will have to just wait for this downloading process, and after a few seconds I can finally open my plugin. So I have to click right here, and for some reason it actually, okay, never mind, there's some auto rotation issue, but now we just fix this. Now we have to accept this user license and click start. Let's do this one more time. Okay, it looks like we have to accept both of them, unfortunately. So now just scroll to the left side, and from here, as you can see, we have to install the HP Smart plugin. So click to install right now. Just wait for the downloading process. And now let's open it. From here we have to accept all of these permissions and accept everything that is popping on the screen. And now it is connecting to our HP Services plugin. From here we can simply sign in with account, we can skip for now, or we can simply set up a new printer. So now we have to choose our connection method between the Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. In my case, I'm gonna do this with the Wi-Fi. Click continue. As you can see, now we have to place our printer on the flat surface, connect, as I said before, we have to connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network and turn on the nearby devices permission, location, and the Bluetooth on our smartphone. So let's do this. I'm just looking for the location. There it is. So now we have to click continue, accept all of this permission, accept everything, and now it is searching for the printer. And that's basically how it looks on the HP. If you are using any other company printer, it may look different, but now if you have your printer on the screen, just click on it and you will be connected. After this, you will have to just open the document that you want to print, click on the three dots and just simply print it. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.